Now what for you? Now what for you, bro?
Run, no.
God of Destiny of Empire, God of King of the King, was I God?